In this video, I'm going to show you how to bullet time with no strings attached, because this is what's going to happen. So instead, I'll show you how to bullet time using the Invisible Selfie Stick to get results like this. To bullet time, make sure your ONE X is securely attached to your Invisible Selfie Stick. Go to bullet time mode, set auto exposure, set the shutter speed to fast, choose a white balance that looks best for your scene, and leave log mode off. Extend the selfie stick all the way, hold the selfie stick out above your head, and swing it around slowly. Do about 5 or 6 rounds, and then bring it down. This technique is by no means the perfect solution for bullet time. It's just merely a better way than doing it with the string. If you want the most perfect bullet time results, then buy the bullet time handle and attach it to the end of your Invisible Selfie Stick. But that's it. You now know how to bullet time with no strings attached.